Okay, so let's continue setting up our workspace. So here we're going to edit the preferences for the exporting purpose. So let's go back to animation, click the standard, edit, and then go to preferences or control U. After that, let's follow the instruction here. So here let's set the undo level to 150. So this one I already set up the 150 here. The maximum of this one is 300. That one. So if you have a lot of drawings or animation, I recommend you do the maximum one. You select 300. For me, I will just select 150. For the auto recovery, you can just select 5 minutes if you want, but for me, I prefer 20 minutes, like that. And after that, just click OK. Next one is for the action script. So here, it's automatically action script, which is the higher version of scripting, meaning you can do coding if you want to develop your own game in the future. So first, this one click this one and then the properties. So you will notice here that we have the action script 3.0, but if you going to target the lower version, you can change it to this one. So we have the flash player. The higher version is the 30. Okay, like that. And then for the quality setting, we can just go to publish setting and the file, something like that. And then we will put the JPEG quality to higher, which is the maximum size is 100. Okay, so just click the animation, file, and then the publish setting. And then we have the JPEG quality, which is 80. Change it to 100. Enter. Then after that, click OK. Okay, that's for the quality setting. For the audio, since we don't have topic for the audio, I will not discuss this one, but you can just follow the steps here. Okay, and then we have the keyboard shortcuts here, so you can follow, which is the selection, sub-selection, pre-transform, 3D rotation. So you can explore all of these shortcut keys here for our tool bar.